Hello, and welcome to the mid-innings show of Free Hits by Vali Sports. We know that Vali is the official digital live streaming partner of HBL PSL 10. And what an absolutely fantastic innings by Multan Sultans in that first innings. Mohammad Rizwan, वो आए थे एज एन ओपनिंग बैटर और उन्होंने पहली सेंचुरी हमने इस HPL PSL की आज देखी है. उन्होंने अपनी ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मेंस दिखाई हमें, जैसे हमने बहुत कुछ अरसे पहले भी देखी थी उनसे. एंड फाइनली ही हैज़ परफॉर्म्ड येट अगेन वन मोर टाइम. अब जो पहली इनिंग्स थी और बैटिंग कार्ड भी हम देखते हैं साथ में, जो मोहम्मद रिजवान ने 105 रन स्कोर किए ऑफ ऑफ जस्ट 63 deliveries. Absolutely brilliant. और उनकी और जो ब्रेसवेल की जो पार्टनरशिप थी, I think that played a very crucial role in them scoring 234 runs on the scoreboard in just उनकी सिर्फ 3 विकेट्स गिरी थी. और ऐसा करना कराची नेशनल बैंक स्टेडियम के ग्राउंड पे, आई थिंक इट्स एब्सोल्युटली एक्सेप्शनल. हमने पहली दो जो हमारी गेम्स थी, इवन दो दे वर इन पिंडी क्रिकेट स्टेडियम एंड दैट्स अ बिग स्कोरिंग ग्राउंड, उधर हमने बिग स्कोर्स नहीं देखे पहली इनिंग्स में. लेकिन फाइनली दिस इज द फर्स्ट मैच जिसमें हमने पहली इनिंग्स में एक इतना माइटी टोटल देख लिया है. फरीद, मुझे थोड़ा सा आप मैच के बारे में बताएं कि मुल्तान सुल्तान्स ने इतनी ब्रिलियंट इनिंग्स खेली है पहली इनिंग्स में, तो उसके बारे में आपकी क्या थॉट्स हैं?
I think a fantastic total, as you said, especially at the National Bank Cricket Arena in Karachi. 233, I think, is a big score. और जिस तरह बैटिंग की है मोहम्मद रिजवान ने, although he started slow, so to say 50 of 38 balls, फिर उसने कैचअप किया है. और ब्रेसवेल को तो आई थिंक होम ग्राउंड ही लग रही है. चैम्पियंस ट्रॉफी में से पहले ट्राई सीरीज और अब भी पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट वो इतना खेला है. फैंटास्टिक नॉक बाय हिम as well, a great cameo. I think this is going to be very tough for Karachi to chase, even though they have their support in the stadium. Some fans are there. But I think it's going to be very tough. Fantastic by
Multan. What about, let's talk about Karachi. तो David Warner, first time as their captain. तो उनके लिए आपको क्या लगता है वो क्या डिफरेंटली करना चाहेंगे? Because obviously उनको ये टोटल चेस करना ही होगा, स्पेशली क्योंकि उनकी फॉर्म पिछले जो एडिशंस हैं PSL में कराची किंग्स की फॉर्म अच्छी नहीं रही. So for them to get off to a good start is very crucial.
Yes, he is the captain. Obviously, the onus would be on him to perform, especially in the power play. He has Tim Seifert with him. There's obviously a lot of experience with Shan Masood in the side as well. But to chase something like 230 plus, that is going to be difficult. His first match as captain in the PSL, although he won the toss, chose to bowl first and then gave away 230 plus. Must be under pressure as well, but he's been with the team for a short period. Now let's see कैसा करता है.
अच्छा, अब कराची की बॉलिंग के स्टार्ट्स थोड़े से देखते हैं. इधर ये जो स्कोर कार्ड है उनकी बॉलिंग का, हमने देखा था कि कराची की पिच भी आज इट वाज अ बिट अनयूजुअल क्योंकि इट वाज मोर ग्रास ऑन इट. उन्होंने ये बात भी की थी दैट इट्स क्वाइट अनयूजुअल. हम पहली दफ़ा कराची के ग्राउंड में पिच पे इतनी घास देख रहे हैं. तो बॉलिंग जो थी उनकी, दे रियली कुडंट डू मच विद द बॉल. हम इधर स्टार्ट्स देख रहे हैं, ओनली 3 विकेट्स और बहुत ज़्यादा रन्स उनके बॉलर्स ने कंसीड किए हैं. कोई भी उनके लिए स्पेशली अब्बास अफरीदी भी है उनकी टीम में, लेकिन वो भी डिलीवर नहीं कर सके. But anyway, unfortunate for Karachi Kings. But let's see if they can chase this total down. And let's see how Multan does basically defend the total that they've put up. अच्छा, अब हम चलते हैं. We've also got our influencers here with us today, Rija and Hassan, who are, by the way, a couple. So this is the first time we've had a couple together on a show. अब हम छोटा सा, क्योंकि हमारा ये छोटा सा segment है obviously before the second inning starts. तो एक quick rapid fire करते हैं before we sign off. Okay, so let's start with you guys.
All right.
I'll start off with Hassan first. Hassan,
Sure.
Babar Azam or Rizwan, better batter, but don't count today's match, but better batter recently.
Recently,
Yeah.
Rizwan.
You think so? Even okay. And what about generally?
No controversy at all. Sorry?
Generally,
Generally, overall, yeah, Babar.
Babar. Okay. Better captain, Babar or Rizwan? Overall, not like overall.
I'm just going to say not Babar.
Not Babar. Okay.
You're not going to pick Rizwan either, I think.
I don't want to, but since this question,
See,
yeah,
given you two
yeah.
options and you have to choose one. एक तो
Yeah.
आपने choose करनी है. So Rizwan.
Yeah,
Okay,
obviously,
you'll go with
because I have no
Rizwan.
choice.
Okay, Wahab Riaz's Yorker or Mohammad Hasnain's bouncer. What would you prefer?
Wahab Riaz's Yorker,
Yeah,
definitely,
yeah.
definitely.
Okay, I guess we missed that in the PSL, seeing that in the
Hmm.
PSL. Okay, Rija, on to you.
Yeah.
Which jersey has more swag? Karachi Kings or Multan Sultans?
Multan Sultan.
Multan Sultans. Do you like the Multan Sultans? Do you
Yeah.
support them?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Okay, nice. I think overall, unki jo team hai that has more
They do,
swag. Yeah,
exactly.
they have the most
For
swag.
sure,
Yeah,
yeah.
out of all the
Hmm.
teams. one player for your fantasy team, who would you pick?
Rizwan?
Rizwan, okay, nice. I think we just now ने आज बात की उससे आप
He
काफी
was
impress हो
amazing.
चुकी हैं.
Yeah.
I think आप उससे काफी impress हो चुकी हैं. अच्छा, last question: who had the louder fan base tonight, Multan or Karachi?
Multan for sure.
Multan, even though it was in Karachi, even though the match was in Karachi, I thought you would say Karachi. मुझे लगा ये Karachi बोलेंगी, but मुझे लगता है ये Multan की बहुत बड़ी fan है.
Yeah.
So obviously you'd want to see them lift the PSL trophy this year as
Absolutely.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're taking it home.
Okay, so even if you went to Karachi, you would be supporting Multan.
Multan,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. And last quickly आपसे पूछ लेते हैं. You tell me कि sorry. Moving on. One question: Mohammad Amir, Naseem Shah, more dangerous with the new ball?
I think Mohammad Amir with his experience.
Okay.
Obviously, I love Naseem. I love the way that he bowls, but I
But
still
Mohammad
think
Amir?
he has still got a long way to go.
Okay, so right guys, that's it with the mid-innings show. But let's go back and see if Karachi will be able to chase down this hefty total in National Bank Stadium, Karachi, and we will be back with you after this match ends. See you all very soon.